that time again. We're cleaning the fridge. We're taking inventory of what we have. We're going out of town at the end of this week, so I want to go through and just really try and eat through everything that needs to be eaten. So it's a perfect time to clean the fridge. Let's go. So important too, you work your way from the top down, because when you clean, it's going down, you know what I mean? I'm pretty versed on what's going on along here. Everyone raves about these pickles. My friend actually brought these the other night. I'm not like a crazy dill girl, I'm more of a sweet pickle. But let's try these. Okay. I mean, it tastes kind of like a regular pickle. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not like one of those pickle girlies, per se. We've got some sprouted lentils. It's gonna happen a lot. Sprouted lentils, which need to be eaten before we leave because I made the mistake of leaving these in the cupboard. And then like 3 weeks later I found them and I was like, oh, what's this? And it was a full-blown mold extravaganza. Like, it was unlike anything I'd ever seen. It was kind of beautiful. We've got a half-drunk strawberry kombucha, which will probably remain half-drunk and flat. Cold water. Adrian went to H Mart the other day and got these yuzu pancakes, which actually are very delicious. My favorite, sparkling yuzu coconut water. A bunch of coconut water. Are you coming in here?
There she is.
Got some Dave's Tempo we need to eat, some spicy daikon. We've got some Parmesan cheese. Sanzo, the yuzu, really delicious. I only prefer the like citrusy Sanzos. I think the lychee and the mango are like pretty boring. But the calamansi and the yuzu are really good. Cream cheese. Not a lot in here, so we'll finish that. A little thing of maple syrup. Apple cider vinegar. Some barley grass that I like to put in my smoothies. I haven't really been drinking smoothies right now. It's not really the season for me. Nutritional yeast. The apple cider vinegar flavor. A little Tito's vodka. I think my brother-in-law brought them. And I had made a previous video before talking about how much I hate my kitchen, the fridge being the main one, because I hated the freezer on top, fridge below. This, I can see everything that's happening. I can see it all. I can see it all. So it's really great that we got this now. Okay, now we'll load everything back in. This taste has been lingering in my mouth. What else? We've got half a lime, some of our favorite sour beer, Prairie. Got some strawberries at the farmer's market for Louie. Berries, blackberries, some Sunnies, cloudberry and chili flavor. Oh baby. Swiss roll, milk tea, another H Mart purchase. It's not like the Japan ones. Some chopped red onion. We'll probably use this for dinner tonight. Some of the sweet pickle, lemon champagne preserve, green tahini, Sunnies. Hello, Sunnies. What's up, baby? Some caramelized onion jam. Honestly, it's Alan Dukas chocolate. Some more of our favorite, or sour beer. Got some nut pod creamer, toasted marshmallow, yum. Some onion sprouts, also need to eat these. Some leftover fruit my friend brought from Super Bowl. Want to taste some strawberry? Lots of green onions. I'll use these for dinner tonight. These tangerines, some miso. Roll around. Okay. I'll put you on the ground and let you go around. Put you on the ground and let you go around. Put you on the ground and let you crawl around. Put you on the ground and let you crawl around. Put you on the ground and let you crawl around. Put you on the ground and let you. Okay. Got these caracaras, bunch of lemons. No. Some more onion. I don't know. Dinner is gonna be onion filled. My favorite dates. Some Greek yogurt. Old ginger that we can probably throw away. This piece of turmeric that shriveled up. Vegan cream cheese. It's a no for me, dog. That's a no. Frosting some ground beef for dinner. I don't know what we're doing with it, but it's gonna be an onion ground beef situation. Some leftover potato salad from Super Bowl. Some simple syrup. I made a lot of margaritas. Never had this flavor, Spindrift, but I really enjoy. Passion fruit, orange, guava. Got some more blackberries and blueberries. And we've got some eggs. That sound is gonna haunt us all. Bren brought this Wagyu pastrami. And some turkey. I think we can go this way. Got some old herbs. Trash. Pumpernickel, I think, has been in here for way too long. Cured beef pastrami and some chicken sausage. Got a lot of broccolini, some fat carrots, an old cabbage, and a lesser old cabbage and another cabbage. Sad celery. I might be able to salvage this. We'll see. Oh, yeah, this very old kale, old cilantro and parsley. Some more old ginger that's moldy. See, this is why you gotta just go through the fridge. Success. There we go. Just your regular old condiments, schmondiments, nothing too crazy. You get the idea. Clean your fridge out though. It's like cleaning your mind, you know? Okay, this is called fridge clean out stir fry. Ground beef that's been defrosted. We've got some limp celery that we will resurrect. Some cabbage. This cabbage looks... Carrots. Red onion. Ginger. Garlic. Just a little healthy bowl. And you can flavor this however you want. It's great.